a place where dreams take shape, where every detail is designed to elevate your lifestyle. Introducing for the very first time in Kalyan and Ulhasnagar, a masterpiece by the renowned.
आप सभी का स्वागत है साई वर्ल्ड लेजेंड, where luxury meets royalty and comfort. Ladies and gentlemen, मैं खड़ी हूँ साई वर्ल्ड लेजेंड, one of the most premium and luxurious project. Let me take you inside the clubhouse and let's explore all the amenities one by one. Please come with me. So ये सिर्फ एक क्लब हाउस नहीं बल्कि एक एक्सपीरियंस है for those who wish nothing but the best. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take you through all the amenities of the clubhouse and let's soak in the indulgence and let's check out the space, what all the space has to offer. Please come with me. ये redefine करता है luxury living को. So let me take you the most loved section by all the music lovers. That's the karaoke room. Please come with me. Melody Monarch. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I feel super happy. I am sure यहाँ पे बहुत सारे equipments होंगे. So चलते हैं in the music room and let's check out all the equipments. What modern luxuries are offered by this beautiful place. Please come with me. So music is not what you think, but what you feel. And I am sitting here in the most loved section by most of the people. That's the music room, जहाँ पे एक नहीं बहुत सारे equipments है. So this is the music room that you need, which has everything designed for you. Let's move on to the next amenities. So ladies and gentlemen, it's the time to disco. I mean, look at the decor. It feels so luxurious already. I am taking you guys to the DJ section and of course, the karaoke room, which feels like magic. It changes your mood and wow, this is a great space loved by almost everyone. Please come with me to the most beautiful section, that is DJ वाले बाबू मेरा गाना चला दो. So every resident is gonna be very happy. So smash, drop, all the way, all the fitness enthusiasts, this is the most loved section for all you guys. You can see people are smashing right behind me and two champions are here. So if you are a champion or if you are a fitness lover or sports enthusiast, you should come here and spend your time and make the best out of this luxurious clubhouse with this beautiful amenities. Let's move on to the next section. क्योंकि पावर और प्रिसिशन का एक परफेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन मिलता है स्कॉश में. So let me take you to the place where all the legends are playing. That's the Legends Court. चलते हैं अंदर and let's take a look at the spacious and luxurious the Legends Court, जहाँ पे दो champions already they are playing and they are smashing and hitting. You can be the one if you are a resident of this most luxurious project. Let me take you to the next amenity. Please come with me. Let's go. Wow. Absolutely love the air condition and this space is so spacious. I love the seats, love the velvet touch to it and of course, if you see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 rows which is being divided. So total 35 people can accommodate and enjoy the best of experience with a large screen and a proper air condition. Wow, it feels luxury. let me take you guys to the next amenity. Please come with me. So हम पहुंच चुके हैं फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे ऑफ दिस ब्यूटिफुल क्लब हाउस एंड अब तक की जर्नी हमने बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय की. लेट मी टेक यू टू द फर्स्ट फ्लोर, दैट्स द टाइटन्स फिटनेस सेंटर फॉर ऑल द फिटनेस एंथुसियास्ट्स. For all those who live by the mantra fitness first, let me take you guys to the legends of fitness. यानी कि जिम जाके अगर आपको बॉडी बनानी हो, you should come to this section. Let's explore कितने सारे equipments है and how much health is important. Wow, I see people are working out already and there are huge variety of equipments. The equipments are sanitized. It's by Costco and wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they have a huge cardio section which is 6 treadmills. Here we have some weight training. So people who love to do weight training, वो यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं. And of course, यहाँ पे mirrors लगे हैं. So you can look at yourself and of course work out on your fitness goals. It's beautiful. Here we have some CrossFit training equipments, which is not at all bad. It's very spacious. Here we have some dumbbells. Here we have some more weights. And here we have some ellipticals. This is again another section of cardio. So I think it's beautiful. All the fitness lovers must visit and take a look and work out here. Let's explore the next one. Please come with me. Amidst all the hustle in life, I am sure हम सबको एक pause की ज़रूरत होती है, एक break की ज़रूरत होती है. And at that time हमें realize होता है meditation is so important. There is a chair here. There are people meditating here and this is actually a beautiful space which is to master your mind. Let bliss rise and let me take you to explore the next amenity. Welcome to the Board and Brew, a board game cafe. As the name says, a board game cafe. यहाँ पे एक नहीं, दो नहीं, बल्कि इस indoor section में there are varieties of games that you can play. एक से बढ़ के एक मैं आपको चीज़ें दिखाने वाली हूँ. Straight from we have the table tennis section. Here we have 2 massive table tennis and 2 champions striking a shot. Guys, give a nice shot. Okay. Then we have a luxurious space here. We have 2 foosballs. मेरे पीछे यहाँ पे there is a business game. बहुत सारे लोगों को पसंद होता है. And यहाँ पे there are 2 caroms and foosball तो आपने खेला ही होगा. This is the most loved game. चलते हैं अंदर and let's check out the snooker table. So there are 1, 2 and 3 massive snooker tables. The colors are so vibrant. I think this cafe has got such a luxurious feeling. I mean, I have loved this place a lot. And you can check out the size of the snooker table. It's massive, it's large. There are 6 people playing at one go. I mean, और क्या चाहिए? Take you to the perfect blend of uniqueness and openness. That's a small balcony view and you can actually get a view of the ground floor from the first floor. It's a small space but it's beautiful and I absolutely love this massive door. This is giving such a grand feeling, guys. Wow. Let's check out the second amenity. Welcome to La Essentia Unisex Spa and Salon. Wow, the name itself, unisex, wherein you and your partner both together can come here and spend some time relaxing. Let me take you guys what all services they offer and it's a beautiful space, I'm telling you guys. Please come with me and let's take a look where luxury meets self-care. Wow. Mind, body, soul, everything feels so relaxed, so luxurious, so comforting. यहाँ पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा spacious है and I think these are the pedicure chairs on my right side, which is 1 and 2, and after that we have 3 chairs for the makeover. यानी कि makeover section is so beautiful. It is actually looking like a Barbie feel. I also see here some Barbies. Hello, namaste. You look so beautiful. Wow. have the best facial, the best pedicure, the best manicure, या फिर वो आपका makeover हो, this clubhouse has everything. 1 year treatment room 2, यानी कि ये second room है जहाँ पे spa होता है और ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे बहुत रिलैक्स फील हो रहा है. एज यू कैन सी द कैंडल्स, द टाल्स, एवरीथिंग इज सेट. यहाँ पे एसेंशियल ऑयल्स की मुझे फ्रेग्रेंस आ रही है. आई एम श्योर इनका जो स्टीम एंड सोना रूम है वो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ देखने के लिए और आप सबको भी दिखाना चाहती हूँ. Here we have the Senso, that's the treatment room number 1, and once again यहाँ पे different kinds of candles. It's the most comforting bed for one person. यहाँ पे आप relax होके अपना मसाज करवा सकते हैं and of course rejuvenate हो सकते हैं. Let's move on to the next room. Last but not the least, I am taking you to the Leora massage room. As it says, massage room बहुत ज़्यादा comforting है. There's one washroom, again one bed, and यहाँ पे सारी चीज़ें रखी हुई है, towels and everything. I think this is the most loved place for everyone, whether it's a male or a female, unisex है. So please come here and let's check out the next amenities. So ये है हमारा प्यारा सा exquisite banquet hall which comes with a pre-area wherein you can do the pre-functions of your celebrations, whether it's a small celebration, it's a family celebration, it's a wedding or anything. This is the best space. I really like the quality of the speakers they have put, the flooring, and of course upstairs if you see, everything looks so artistic, so luxury. Wow, it's absolutely stunning. Let me take you to the next one. So this is the huge space. Imagine this is a blank canvas and you already have a star who's painting here. Hey, what are you making? क्या बना रहे हैं? Clubhouse. He is putting all the colors and he's making the clubhouse which is right here to complete हो जाएगा. इसके अलावा this place is very spacious. You can see for everything related to art and craft we have kept here. There's a table here. There are chairs. You can sit and you can do all your art and craft. I think this is an amazing place and it gets extended till here. So chaliye, let's go to the library room and check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the library section. हर इंसान को एक escape की ज़रूरत होती है and when you are a resident of this place and if you need an escape, I'm telling you, you guys should come to the library section. It is massive, it is huge. There is a variety of books, I can say fictionary, non-fictionary, anything, whatever you like. And if you take a look, people are walking and it's full packed right now. We have like 100% crowd. राइट गाइस, तो मैं आपको लेकर आ चुकी हूँ ट्यूशन रूम में विच इज़ द बेस्ट प्लेस फॉर ऑल द किड्स. और जो भी लोग स्कूल जाते हैं बच्चे, उनकी पढ़ाई करने के लिए आई थिंक दीज आर द मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल सीट्स हियर. यहाँ पे बैठ के आप अपना होमवर्क कर सकते हैं. और यहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा सा वाइट कलर का बोर्ड लगा है. ऑन माई लेफ्ट यहाँ पे आपको एक मैप दिख जाएगा जहाँ पे सारी कंट्रीज़ के नाम लिखे गए हैं. सो आप साथ ही साथ मेमोराइज कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक आपके बच्चों के लिए इससे ज़्यादा space where there is no sound हो ही नहीं सकता. So I think this is the best thing. Tuition room. Right, ladies and gentlemen, so हम पहुंच चुके हैं in the amusement games section, which is loved by all the kids, I should say, and the room is literally full packed. Let's get inside and let's see who's doing what and which section is doing great. Please come with me. Let me take your tour. मजा आ रहा है? सुपर, यहाँ पे फुल हाउस है and बहुत मजा आ रहा है. Let's go inside. Wow. Did you win? जीते या नहीं? जीते या नहीं? Cheers. ऐसे करो. फिटनेस बहुत सारे हिस्सों में बटा हुआ है, आप जैसे देख सकते हो. देयर आर डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स, बट हर एक फॉर्म को सीखने के लिए इन्होंने एक स्पेसिफिक डेजिग्नेटेड स्पेस को डिज़ाइन किया है. सो दिस इज़ अ ह्यूज स्पेस विच कंप्राइजेज ऑफ डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ डांस दैट यू कैन लर्न हियर. सो यहाँ पे कुछ इक्विपमेंट्स भी है. यहाँ पे मिरर सेक्शन है. यू कैन डू द जुम्बा हियर. इट्स वेरी वेरी स्पेशियस. प्लस आई लव द कार्पेट. So here we are where nature meets nachos and the grass which is greener becomes a dance floor. यानी कि guys हम पहुंच चुके हैं पार्टी लॉन में और ये इतना ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. अगर मैं आपको इसका व्यू दिखाऊं, the best part is the building is right here और ये पूरा open space है. यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी seating है. You can actually get a overlook of this entire space. यहाँ पे पीछे seating है. On the right view, left view, back view, and here is the society. That's absolutely beautiful. Set the right vibe, and in the evening, I think this place looked the most beautiful and stunning.
It's time to live the life you've always dreamed of. Welcome to Psy World Legend. Welcome to a new world of luxury.